welcome back to another brand new episode of Letters with Peggy Pig. That's me, Peggy. How is everyone? I wanted to tell you something about energy. Did you know that we can get energy from trash? All that waste we flush down the toilet and put it in our trash cans doesn't have to go to, waste. When waste breaks down, it can release methane, a natural gas. We can trap that gas and use it to make electricity. This is also helpful because methane is a greenhouse gas. If we use it, we keep it out of the atmosphere. This is great for our environment. Okay, dinos, are you ready for our worksheet? Remember, the link below is for you to print them out. Okay, first, write our names. You're doing such a terrific job, dinos. Now that we're done, let's read the directions. Red, Q, red, Q. What do you see? I see a brown quail looking at me. Let's read one more time. Red, Q, red, Q. What do you see? I see a brown quail looking at me. What do we color the Q? It says red, Q, red, Q. Great job, my dinos. Red. Let's grab our red crayon and color the Q. Do you want to know some interesting facts about a quail? Did you know that quails are social birds that gather in groups called coveys? As many as 10 to 30 birds may form a covey in which they forage, which means look for food, and roost, which means rest, closely together. The female quail is called a hen, the male quail is called a cock, and the baby quail is called a chick. By the way, dinos, your Q looks amazing. Great job, dinos, at coloring inside the line. The red Q looks amazing. Now, what do we color the quail? Let's read. It says, I see a brown quail looking at me. What do we color the quail? That's right, brown. Let's grab our brown crayons and color the brown quail. Did you know that quails, when adults pair up and become a mated pair, it's not just for a single breeding season. These birds mate for life. They remain monogamous till death do them part. Both adults perform all parenting duties equally. Doesn't that sound perfect? And just so sweet. Now for the stomach of the quail, I'm going to color it a lighter brown. This way it has more contrast. It really pops the colors out. For the face, I'm coloring it a warm brown. Last but not least, let's color in the beak. Did you know that quails would rather run than fly? Isn't that interesting? Guess what? Now we get to color the background. Anything your imagination tells you to. What are you drawing today? Oh, that's such a great idea. What am I drawing today? Well, I'm drawing trees because quails like to be in nature. I'm just drawing the tree branches right now. Yours look amazing. I'm just adding a little bit more branches. I can't wait to see what yours is. So far, it looks amazing. I'm so proud of you, my dinos. Your imaginations are so important because you have such a great imagination. Okay, now I'm coloring the leaves. But instead, I'm just going to color a big green bush. Do you see the trees? Do you like my trees, dinos? Oh, thank you so much, dinos. You make me so happy. Now I'm coloring in my third tree. I'm just finishing up my last tree. Your background looks amazing, dinos. How do you like mine? Thanks, my dinos. Wow, dinos, I'm so proud of you. I'm glad we finished our worksheet. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye, my dinos.
Hi, everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!